Powerhorse wood chipper. Just opened the box. This is the way it looks coming out of the box. There's your product. This is how it looks coming out of the box. Took all the plastic off of it, of course. Got these parts down here, mostly a handle, wheels, chipper feeder, some tools and instructions. So get her out and put her together. The thing weighs about 170 pounds, so it's better to have two people. It's kind of a struggle doing it yourself, but it can be done. Checking to make sure we got everything we need. These are all the parts that's going to be assembled. That's the way they are in the picture. So got everything, start assembling. Do not do this. That is a little washer down there I've got to get out now because I had to take everything apart because of one minor mishap. These things are designed to be idiot proof. I think they're more just idiot resistant. Important point in the assembly of this thing that was not really made clear, but this part goes up, not this part. Something like that. Because the guard is going to come over this. If it's got the right angle, the guard's not going to fit. So learn from my mistake. This is how it is supposed to fit. Put some oil in it, put some fuel in it. Gonna follow the old directions on here on how to start this thing. Let's see how it works. Well, as you can see, started on the first crank. I just started shoving stuff in there. If it gets stuck in there, some of those leaves and small twigs and stuff get stuck in there, just pull it back out, kind of mess with it till it fits. There was some people saying about material collecting in front of the debris, and it's about how much I got out of the 10 minutes I've been running it. Quite a bit, but I'm thinking I'll be happy with this. I want to see what I could put in the top, but I don't really want to gum it up right now. As you can see, I got all that I want to do. Everything that's brown is going to be taking a trip through the chipper. All that over there too, and then there's some more on the other side, so I got my work cut out for me today. So this is afterwards. Worked all day on that thing. The only time it quit on me was when I put a fairly large limb in there. Have to look at this and see if it really shows how much work I did with that thing. I mean, this whole thing was filled with brush. This whole area, and there's still more. Out there by that tree was all brush, all through here. Had 2 wheelbarrows full of chippings I put underneath a couple of trees. I don't know if this really does anything any justice. Still got a big pile of brush. This is what that used to look like. Tired.